Hawaii LED Screen is India's dedicated LED display manufacturing company with over 15 years of industry experience. With a strong team of skilled engineers, technicians, and service professionals, Hawaii continues to pioneer new standards in LED display technology. Across Tamil Nadu, one name stands strong in LED display solutions: Hawaii LED Screen. In Coimbatore, we proudly present India's first LED retail showroom, a major milestone in LED innovation. Strengthening our presence further, we also operate a dedicated showroom and service center in Chennai to provide faster support and a hands-on product experience for our customers. With the largest and most experienced service team, we ensure fast support and reliable service across Tamil Nadu. Hawaii LED Screen stands apart as one of India's leading manufacturers of LED screens, setting new benchmarks in quality and innovation. Our bulk stock availability ensures zero delays and faster delivery for every project. With a large number of successful projects across Tamil Nadu, we continue to earn the trust of our customers through consistent quality and dependable service. Hawaii LED Screen: innovation, quality, and trust.